please, please, please. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Woo-wee. She sounded good. Yes, sir. Booty action. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, y'all. Y'all see I done made it to the spot. Vizual Efx. About to go in here and see my guy. See what's up. So, just dropped my baby off. Get a little work done. Gonna see how she look once I get her back. I'm pretty sure she gonna be looking awesome. So, just stay tuned. What's up, y'all? I'm back. I'm about ready to pick up my car, and I'm back at my man's spot at Vizual Efx. Shout out my man Fonzo, and let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. So, not further ado, show you what my man did too. Taillights tinted up, looking good. She a little dirty right now. Don't mind that. I get a wash later. Got my man tint those. Let me show you something. Got my calipers painted yellow. Yes, sir. See that? Brembo's on now. Yes, sir. Got that all the way around. Match the car. Oh, there's one more thing to show y'all. I got the yellow smokers. I made the whole thing yellow. Instead of the overlays, I got the whole thing yellow. That's something I did before. Bringing my car to have the rest of the stuff done to it. So, yes, sir. So, yep. As y'all see, got them done and everything. And what? No, wait a minute. Y'all hear that? They're getting louder too. What in the world? What is that? My man done my fan too. Yes, sir. In yellow. Talk to me. Talk to me. She looking good. Shout out to this thing, man. Definitely appreciate you, brother. Definitely appreciate him. Yeah, we got this thing looking good. Definitely appreciate him. Like I said, that's one of my brothers. That's a man that I can call my brother. So we've been knowing each other for a minute. So definitely appreciate you, bro. But yep, other than that, that's a wrap for this video. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, comment, leave a comment what you like, what you don't like, share it with your family and friends, and let's go up. Let us all go up in 2021. Alright? All things are possible as long as you have God first. Trust in Him, believe in Him, have faith in Him, believe in yourself, have faith in yourself, trust yourself, and everything will be alright. So until next time, I'll let y'all later.